GIKUU kia Albert Ojwang githiete na mbere kwa burura marakara a Kenya makienda ruhonge rwa borithi kuyukia wigiririki na kuhithuria uma wa kiria kirathire na mbere. Kiama kia MAWAKIRI guku bururi-ini LSK riu kirenda inspector wa borithi Douglas KANJA kuhithuria maritwa ma maabithaa a borithi aria marakuruhanio na GIKUU kia Ojwang.
First of all, we asked the Inspector General of Police why hasn't he named the particular officers that have been interdicted. What is the need of hiding? Let Kenyans know, and the ambiguity of saying in any other officer. Who are these any other officers?
Kuringana na President wa kiama kia LSK Faith Odhiambo, GIKUU kia Ojwang ni kionereria kia maundu ma magigi maria makoretwo magithie na mbere ruhonge-ini rwa borithi agititirithia bata wa guthingatithia kihoto kuri mwikuirwo o wothe.
The treatment of Mr. Albert Ojwang is a betrayal against him and a betrayal against the people of Kenya. This cannot be wished away as an isolated incident, because it is illustrative of deeper systematic weaknesses within the National Police Service. Kenya has no room for extrajudicial killings and criminal conduct by police.
Kiama giki oho gigitumura ciuria cia mitaratara ya kiwatho iria yarumirirwo guthamia Ojwang kuma HOMA kuria aikeirio ngono nginyagia ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central guku Nairobi handu hakumwetereria atwarwo igoti-ini mwena wa HOMA.
There is absolutely no rationale why Mr. Ojwang could not be produced to the nearest law courts within HOMA County to answer to any charges against him, or for relevant transfer orders to be made.
Ihinda-ini o riu ikundi cia kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu ni cieyumiritie gukumithia giko giki ikiranira gutigirira uma ni wamenyeka na family ya Ojwang ni yamukira kihoto.
We want to assure the public of one thing, that we will not relent until the truth is determined, until all the evidence is gathered and has been analyzed, and that there is determination of the actual cause of death for the late Albert.
And we are telling the police that Kenya is not a police state. Interdicting officers by and itself, junior officers, is not enough. The people who are behind this are known. The reason why Ojwang was arrested is known, and we want serious action taken against those top officers who are involved.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Gina wa Wadiro.